Hello dear student. See, in this lecture we are going to see a topic of sulfonic acid, topic from sulfonic acid, that is desulphonation. Then we will see Ipso substitution of benzene sulfonic acid, and then we will see preparation of sulfonate ester. Okay, so these three topics we have to see in this lecture. First we have to see desulphonation, then we will see Ipso substitution of benzene sulfonic acid, and then we will see sulfonate ester formation or preparation of sulfonate ester. Now let us start with desulphonation. Let us start with what? Desulphonation. What is mean by desulphonation? Okay, so before that we will just go to back and we will see what is mean by sulphonation. Sulphonation is nothing but what? Introduction of sulfonic acid group into an aromatic nucleus. This is what sulphonation of aromatic rings. Okay, so sulphonation we have seen introduction of sulfonic acid group. Okay, so reaction with what? Concentrated H2SO4. Reaction of benzene with concentrated H2SO4, it gives benzene sulfonic acid. This is what a sulphonation. This is what? Sulphonation. Now what is mean by desulphonation? What is mean by desulphonation? So desulphonation is exactly reverse of sulphonation. Is exactly what? Reverse of sulphonation. So suppose if we are having benzene sulfonic acid, if we are having benzene sulfonic acid, isn't it? And if this sulfonic acid group is desulphonated, that means if it is removed, then there will be what? Formation of a aromatic nucleus, that is aromatic hydrocarbon and sulfuric acid. Okay, see here we have reacted benzene with concentrated sulfuric acid to get benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, now in desulphonation reaction, benzene sulfonic acid is heated. Okay, is heated with what? Dilute, very dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, very dilute sulfuric acid. So here concentration of water is more. Concentration of water is what? More. Okay, concentration of water is what? More. So very dilute sulfuric acid, concentration of water is more. So we can say when we will heat benzene sulfonic acid in presence of dilute H2SO4 or superheated steam. Okay, steam means what? Nothing but a vapor of water. Okay, that is also a water. So when we will heat benzene sulfonic acid with very dilute H2SO4, in that concentration of water will be more at 150 to 170 degrees Celsius. 150 to 170 degrees Celsius. Then this benzene sulfonic acid will undergo what? Desulphonation. There will be what? This loss of sulfonic acid group, and we will have a aromatic hydrocarbon benzene and concentrated sulfuric acid, isn't it? So this is what a desulphonation and this is what a sulphonation. So I will write here desulphonation. So both the reaction are what? Reversible. Okay, benzene will undergo sulphonation, or benzene sulfonic acid, it also undergo desulphonation in another medium. Suppose if we have changed the medium. Okay, so both the reaction are what? Reversible. So this is what? Desulphonation of benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, I hope you have understood this desulphonation reaction. Okay, for desulphonation we have to heat benzene sulfonic acid with what? Very dilute H2SO4 at 150 to 170 degrees Celsius, or we can pass steam also here. Okay, so if we pass steam here, then it will undergo very fast desulphonation. Okay, so this is what? Desulphonation. Now we will see Ipso substitution of benzene sulfonic acid. Ipso substitution of benzene sulfonic acid. Second point we will see. Ipso substitution of benzene sulfonic acids. Ipso substitution of what? Benzene sulfonic acid. Now before that we will understood what is mean by ipso substitution. Before that we will understood what is mean by ipso substitution. See in last semester in the chapter of haloarenes, in the chapter of aryl halide or haloarene, we have seen there ipso substitution. Okay, sign substitution and ipso substitution. Now see, ipso substitution is a substitution in which what? See, incoming nucleophile or a incoming electrophile takes the position which is vacated by leaving group, leaving group. So here leaving group is what? X. Okay, so this nucleophile or a electrophile will take the position, this position, isn't it? Suppose if I have marked this position with carbon 13 asterisk, okay, label, I have used label carbon atom, and if your nucleophile or a electrophile is taking the position which is vacated by what? Leaving group, or we can say so this will be a what? This will be a what? Aromatic electrophilic substitution, aromatic electrophilic ipso substitution, and this will be what? Aromatic nucleophilic ipso substitution. Okay, suppose if we are using nucleophile, then we will get what? Aromatic nucleophilic ipso substitution product. And suppose if we are using electrophile, then we will get what? Aromatic electrophilic ipso substitution product. Okay, now what is mean by ipso? Have you understood? Once again I am repeating it. Okay, suppose incoming nucleophile, this is what? Incoming nucleophile or a electrophile is taking the same position. Okay, it's taking the same position which is vacated by leaving group. So leaving group is attached to a what? Label carbon. Okay, so suppose this nucleophile or electrophile is taking this same position, that is the label carbon position, then we will get what? Ipso substitution product. Okay, then we will get what? Ipso substitution product. Now see, next we will see ipso substitution of benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, ipso substitution of benzene sulfonic acid. So see, this is what? Benzene sulfonic acid. We have seen this sulfonic acid group, this SO3H group, that is sulfonic acid group, is highly labile. Okay, it can undergo desulphonation very easily at high temperature. Okay, it can undergo desulphonation very easily at high temperature. Suppose our electrophile is H plus here. Okay, electrophile is H plus here. If H plus is taking this position, then we will get what? This product in desulphonation. Okay, so this is what? Again ipso substitution. This electrophile H plus is taking the position which is vacated by this SO3H. Okay, so we are getting what? This ipso substitution product. Okay, so this is what? Aromatic electrophilic ipso substitution. Aromatic electrophilic ipso substitution. Now what are the application of this ipso substitution of benzene sulfonic acid? This is what we have to see. Okay, application of ipso substitution of benzene sulfonic acid. See, in nitration reaction, see in nitration reaction, okay, see in the nitration of phenol, I will say in the nitration of phenol, okay, suppose in the nitration of phenol, if we are carrying out nitration of phenol with what? Concentrated nitric acid and concentrated H2SO4, that is nitrating mixture. Okay, most of the phenol is getting oxidized, most of the phenol is getting oxidized, and we are getting very small quantity of picric acid. Okay, we are getting what? Very small quantity of picric acid. Picric acid is what? 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, you know it. Okay, this is what a picric acid. Suppose if we have to convert phenol to picric acid by usual nitration reaction, so most of the phenol is undergoing what? Oxidation. Okay, is undergoing what? Oxidation to give a side product or byproduct like benzoquinone. Okay, to give a side product or a byproduct like benzoquinone. We are not getting more yield of picric acid. We are not getting more yield or higher yield of what? Picric acid. Hence, nitration of phenol, we can say to get picric acid is difficult, isn't it? Hence, suppose if we want more picric acid from phenol, if we want more picric acid from phenol, we have to use a Ipso substitution method of benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, let us see that. So, have you understood what is the difficulty in nitration of phenol? Okay, so how phenol is nitrated to get picric acid by using this strategy? This is what we have to see. Okay, so we will write phenol here. Okay, see, instead of nitration we will carry out sulphonation Okay, we will carry out what? Sulphonation of phenol first. So we know phenol will give what? Two product, a mixture of two product. One will be what? This ortho product, and second one will be what? Para product. Isn't it? So this what mixture we are getting here. Now we will nitrate this. We will what? Nitrate this by using concentrated nitric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, that is here we will carry out nitration now by using a mixture of nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, that is nitrating mixture. Okay, see here you know this hydroxyl group is what? Ortho para directing, and this sulfonic acid group is what? Meta directing. Similarly, hydroxyl group here ortho para directing, and this sulfonic acid group is meta directing, isn't it? Sulfonic acid group is pulling electron, while hydroxyl group is what? Pushing electron to this aromatic ring. So what we will get? We will get this type of product here. We will get this product here. Similarly, in this case, we will get okay this product. Now see, in next step we will carry out reaction of this with again concentrated nitric acid. Okay, that is nitrating mixture. Nitration. Okay, I will write here nitration. Similarly, I will write here nitration. concentrated nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid. Okay, now see, this sulfonic acid group will get removed here, okay, here also and here also, and you will get what there, introduction of nitro group. Okay, so from this route also and from this route also you will get picric acid. Sulfonic acid group will get removed. Okay, that is desulfonation will take place and nitro group will get introduced over there. So you will get maximum amount of maximum yield of picric acid. Maximum yield of what? Picric acid. Okay, so this is what? Ipso substitution. Okay, this is what Ipso substitution, and this is what a application of Ipso substitution for the preparation of picric acid. Okay, now let us see last topic of this chapter and your paper 1 syllabus, that is preparation of benzene sulfonate ester. Preparation of benzene sulfonate ester. Okay, now which are the benzene sulfonate ester? This what we have to see and how they are prepared. See, for the preparation of benzene sulfonate ester, we have to react this benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, benzene sulfonic acid we have to react with phosphorus pentachloride. Okay, phosphorus pentachloride. So what we will get? We will get benzene sulfonyl chloride. Okay, what is this? Benzene sulfonyl chloride. This is what we will get. Now this benzene sulfonyl chloride, okay, this what we will get here. Byproduct will be what? POCl3 and hydrochloric acid. Similarly, if we react a sodium salt of benzene sulfonate, okay, benzene sulfonic acid, that is sodium benzene sulfonate with PCl5, what we will get? Here also we will get what? Benzene sulfonyl chloride. Byproduct will be NaCl and POCl3. NaCl and POCl3. So in this way we can prepare benzene sulfonyl chloride first. Okay, initially we can prepare benzene sulfonyl chloride from benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, now in next step, this is what step number 1. In next step we can react benzene sulfonyl chloride. We can react benzene sulfonyl chloride with alcohol. With what? Alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. In presence of what? Concentrated sulfuric acid. So what we will get? We will get we will get ester. Okay, we will get what? Sulphonate ester. This is what a sulphonate, benzene sulphonate ester, or you may write sulphonate ester. Okay, and along with there will be what? Byproduct HCl. Okay, byproduct will be what? HCl. So this is what, in this way we can prepare sulphonate ester. Okay, suppose if we have reacted benzene sulfonyl chloride with ethanol, ethyl alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, in presence of what? Concentrated sulfuric acid, then what we will get? See, we will get ethyl ester of benzene sulfonic acid. Ethyl ester of what? Benzene sulfonic acid, and byproduct will be here hydrochloric acid. Okay, so these ester are having, this type of sulphonate ester are having wide application in what? Drug and pharmaceutical chemistry. Okay, drug and pharmaceutical chemistry. Hence we have to see this preparation of sulphonate ester, isn't it? So we are having, suppose for example, if we are carrying out reaction with what? Isopropyl alcohol, then we will get what? Isopropyl sulphonate ester, like that. Okay, so this is what about benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, this is what about benzene sulfonic acid. I hope you have understood this topic very well. Okay, we'll stop here. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best for your examination. Thank you.